Welcome back to OpenSCAD Simplified. Last time we learned how to make a cylinder and do it, design some objects with it and stuff. But one of the problems is make it round again. I don't like non-round things, but one thing is the cylinder is always in this direction. What if we want to change that? We can just say rotate, say rotate it 90 degrees, 0, 0. And that's rotate of the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, and we rotated it, which allows us to combine things. Let's say we can do a cylinder here, but maybe to make it more look better, we want to translate this, let's say 15, and now we combine two cylinders.